Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've opened the chart and selected the axis. Now use the Format Axis pane to take control. First, set the minimum and maximum bounds to lock the visible range, because Excel auto-scaling can hide trends. Once done, choose major and minor units to space tick marks logically. This improves readability. Make sure to pick a numeric or date axis type that matches your source data. Otherwise, bounds and units won't behave as expected. Next, refine the axis details. Set major and minor units to control tick density and prevent overcrowding. For instance, use 10 or 0. 5, depending on scale. If values are percentages or currency, apply the number format so labels read correctly. For wide-range data, enable the logarithmic scale to compress orders of magnitude. With dates, switch the axis to a date axis so Excel spaces by days or months. Also, finish by applying formatting and stepping back to inspect the chart. Confirm data points sit within the new bounds and that tick labels remain legible. If you mix units or have outliers, move a series to a secondary axis and align its scale separately. Make cosmetic tweaks like gridline visibility and label rotation to enhance readability. Troubleshooting tip. If changes don't take effect, ensure you selected the correct axis type and that the chart's data range isn't forcing auto-scale. Correct source ranges or unlink cell-driven bounds to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.